Hi, good afternoon. This is Oscar from B-Roll Production. We're here today to film the engagement photo shoot for the wedding of Tom and Griselda. We're here at the beautiful place, somewhere Delacour Ranch. The owner provide us this beautiful location to shoot for a rustic engagement shoot. This is so nice. This is a beautiful place to, for you guys who are doing photo shoot or videography shooting. This is a beautiful ranch, with a beautiful background for a rustic set. Oh, it's so nice. Look at that. So we are the B-Roll Production. We provide videography and photography services here around Alberta, Calgary. You can visit us on our website at www.brollproduction.com for any weddings services. If you're looking for any kind of those service. Once again, say hi. Say hi. Hi, horsey. Bye.